to breathe. It's always a good idea to breathe, don't you think? It's a good idea, but it's one that's often overlooked, my friends. This being the week prelude to the Thanksgiving holiday is a wonderful time for us to breathe in a deeper awareness of the many ways in which our lives are blessed. There seems almost to be a part of the human conditioning that we focus on what we do not have, on what we aspire toward, on what we wish would be. I suggest to you this morning, right here in this place and this time, that the best way to welcome a glorious future is to recognize a glorious present moment. If your heart is heavy, if you feel troubled, remember that you have the power to focus your attention and your awareness wherever you choose. And even if it's just for these few moments that we shared together this morning, I encourage you, I invite you, I implore you to focus your attention on that which you already have. And even in the midst of the darkest of nights, there's always a holy host of things to give thanks for. Just take a moment to wiggle the fingers on your hands. How is that happening? How is it that you, as an individualized expression of God in human form, have been given the gift of this body as a vehicle, an animated vehicle through which you traverse through your days? It's remarkable. It's a miracle. You're remarkable. You're a miracle. Thank your body for the wonderful ways it serves you. Consider the content of your mind and recognize your God-given ability to stand as the ambassador of your own consciousness in terms of what you welcome and what you allow to take up residency within your own thought system, and that which you release and let go. It's the freedom of choice. Give thanks for your mind. Give thanks for your freedom of choice in terms of the residents that occupy space in your mind. Allow your choices to be conscious and give thanks for free will. Become mindful of what is occurring right now in this moment in your heart. And recognize that your heart holds a sacred space for everyone that you have ever, are now, or ever shall love. If there is even one individual in your life that you can give thanks for loving, it is sufficient. By acknowledging that and giving thanks for it and praise for it, you allow it to increase. And this is how the family of humanity forgets its differences, remembers its commonalities, and recognizes its oneness. Whatever you believe, you perceive. Choose to believe that your life is filled with abundance. Choose to believe, regardless of external appearances to the contrary, that you are at peace, that you are filled with joy, because that is the manner in which you have been made. Be willing and recognize your capacity to let go of anything in your mind that is expressing in your life that has served its purpose and is ready to go. And give thanks for the power of release that is yours by divine birthright. Wherever you are, God is. In any moment of your life, wherever you are, the presence of goodness dwells. The presence of infinite possibility thrives. And your steps are guided by infinite wisdom as your life is prospered by divine love. Let us take these realizations and remembrances into the space beyond words, beyond thoughts, beyond even feelings, beyond concepts. That space in you where peace forever abides. That space of pure awareness where you know that you and God are one. In this remembrance and awareness, we're ready to move forth into the experience of our earthly existence as we never have before. Our hearts filled with thanksgiving, and we as living testimonies of the greatness that is before us in every moment. Gratitude, thanksgiving, praise. Three divine qualities in expression through you that can change the world. And for that recognition, remembrance, awareness, we give thanks in the name, in the nature, and through the power of the Christ presence that we are. Amen.